How to create a new Hotmail account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a new Hotmail account. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar type in hotmail.com. Now, even if you type hotmail.com, it will still take you to Outlook as Hotmail is currently owned by Microsoft, and if you want to create a Hotmail account, you'll have to create it through Outlook. So once you're on this page, you'll have to click on the option sign in. After that, it will take you to this page where you'll have to click on the option create one, and now enter an email address. So you can enter whatever email address you want, and then after add it, simply type in hotmail.com. Now click on next, and now you'll have to create a password. So simply go ahead and create one. Now once you've created a new password, simply click on next. Now enter your first name and last name. After that, click next. Now enter your country, region, and your date of birth. After that, click next. Now you'll have to solve the puzzle to prove that you are not a robot. So simply click on next, and now complete the CAPTCHA. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Hotmail account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.